In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to back up Sekiro save on Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily back up your Sekiro save on Xbox One. Keep in mind that the method that I'm going to show you here is going to be mostly useful if you are trying to get all the different endings. In fact, this is why most people do this sort of backup and they replace their save files. However, if you are trying to do it on a different point in the story, this may also work. Regardless, all that you have to do is first go to the dojo and quit the game. This is going to save your game to the Xbox cloud. Now, start the game again and wait until you can control your character. Now, once you are inside of the game, you have control of your character, back out and go into the Xbox network settings and choose the option to go offline. Now, proceed as usual and do the ending that you want to witness, so you can proceed the story, do whatever you want, and so on. Like I said, if your primary focus is to get the different endings, this is where you should go ahead and choose whichever option you want to do. Now, when the credits start rolling, assuming that you cleared the game on a different ending or you did other activities, all that you have to do now is bring up the Xbox menu, scroll to Sekiro and exit the game. Afterwards, scroll to Sekiro again, choose the option to manage games and add-ons by pressing the option button, go into saved data and select your profile. Now, because you are offline, it is only going to give you the option to delete in console. So delete the saved data in the console. Once this is done, go back to the network settings and go online. Now, if you start the game after selecting your profile, the game will synchronize with the cloud, and remember how you saved in the dojo before going offline. Now everything will be restored and you will be able to repeat this process as many times as you wish. If you are trying to farm achievements, they might take a while to pop up, so keep that in mind, but this is the best way to experience all the endings or to back up to a previous point in your save. I hope I was able to help you on how to back up Sekiro Save Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.